Hi everyone, my name is Juliana Cardillo and my partner's name is Casey McMullen, and our topic of our condition presentation is gender dysphoria. So just a little introduction. Gender dysphoria is when a person has a conflict between their physical or assigned gender and the gender in which they identify. The topic of our presentation is gender dysphoria. So in this presentation, we will discuss an overview of the condition, demographics, and the DSM-5 diagnosing criteria. We also provide an insightful video about a kindergarten teacher suffering from gender dysphoria and resources that are available to individuals who suffer from gender dysphoria. So some demographics: adults who identify as Black, Latino, Hispanic, or of any other race or ethnicity are more likely than white adults to identify as transgender. Adults who identify as transgender are more racially and ethnically diverse than the U.S. population overall. So we provided a graph to show you these demographics and how they break down. So you'll see the percentages on the side and then the categories of white, non-Hispanic, African American or Black non-Hispanic, Hispanic or Latino, other race or ethnicity non-Hispanic. And this is the adult general population versus the transgender identified adult population. The condition-related video that we chose is about Sonny Miller. So in this video, he created this TED Talk, and he discusses his daily struggles and how he copes with living with gender dysphoria. He is actually a kindergarten teacher as well. So he discusses his personal journey, and he also discusses how he feels like society needs to change their behavior and thoughts about people who have been in this situation. And he also discusses the stigmatism that is surrounding the topic of gender dysphoria. We also provided 3 national web resources for individuals who suffer from gender dysphoria. So some resources that are available are online groups, in-person groups. They have 24-hour hotlines available for individuals who suffer from gender dysphoria. There are many other national web resources that are available as well. So we hope that you found our presentation to be very informative and educational, so we can help educate the world about gender dysphoria and to break the stigmatism surrounding the topic. So the next video is Casey, and Casey is going to be discussing the DSM-5 diagnosing criteria for gender dysphoria.